Hello everyone, welcome to today's trading analysis. This is today the 6th of September and yeah, let's jump right into it. As per normal, let's go on to Bitcoin first, onto the weekly chart. And we see that Bitcoin had a great week last week, all the way through the resistance on the weekly 7th. And it seems like it closed just above the resistance zone and is now forming a weekly 8 on the weekly scale. So now I would say just have a look, just keep your eye on that. There's still the declining volume, as you can see. The stochastic is at the top, so a correction wouldn't be weird. Maybe all the way down to the EMA 21, which is sitting at $44,000 now. That would be, how much would that be? That would be a 15% drop, which would probably coincide the US market drop that I will talk about a little bit later. On the daily scale, I kept this ascending sort of formation. It's not really ascending triangle, but this ascending formation, maybe if you take it from here, on the chart, and you can see it clearly. It broke out, came to retest it, and now we are up. So this is now kind of, in a ways, well, actually the target of this was 12%. So let's just look at that. Have we actually hit the target yet? No. So the target would be about $55,000 for this breakout. But I'm going to delete this for now, so this is irrelevant to me. So you know, it just means that we have now broken out into this bullish, sort of more bullish environment. Something to take note of is there is still a divergence on the RSI. You can see here, higher high, higher high, higher high, and another higher high. So 4 higher highs, and the RSI keeps making lower highs. That is something, another thing to be concerned about. But generally, you know, you want to be in the market now, but you just have to know about these things. You know, a turnaround could be quite quick. Even on the daily scale, a pullback to the $46,000, the 200-day moving average. It's moving over to XRP. XRP on the daily scale is also very bullish. You can see that it's now on a daily 6. It's broken out of this descending triangle. Actually, if you go down to the 4-hour chart, you can see how perfectly it came and bounced. So it broke this, then sort of didn't come through this resistance, came back to retest it. This was a great buying opportunity, and then further up. So now, even on XRP, I'm going to take this line out for now. This is not that important anymore. In fact, none of this is important now. So now XRP is now made a higher high. Just did it a few minutes ago, and is trying to push above the resistance here, as you can see. From a trading perspective, I've now gone in 70% in my position, so 70% XRP and 30% in cash, and hopefully the price can continue to rise now, and then if this pullback is what I'm talking about, comes back maybe to this area down here, and then can maybe go in 80%. If you had to go looking at the S&P, the cycle analysis of the S&P is still pointing towards a pullback of about 10%, which is this little green box. And yeah, this is due for the next 2 weeks. So what we really want for cryptos is to push up quite hard now for the next 2 weeks, so that a pullback from you know, when this occurs, that they pull back into the support zones rather than back all the way down to 40k, or in XRP's case to $1. Another thing to look out for is the long positions versus the short positions. I get this from the BitMEX funding and premium index. As you can see that during this massive rise, when we went to the all-time highs, you can see that people were very bullish going long positions here, and finally got liquidated by Elon Musk's tweet there. Now, as you can see, then people were quite bearish, and now suddenly they are starting to become bullish again. So this is the kind of area where they are bullish again, and so hopefully enough longs will be pushed up here so that this price can push up a little bit higher before some big whale comes and liquidates everyone, like what happened over there. Just something to take note of. Yeah, anyway, that is all I have for today. And please follow us on YouTube, like and subscribe, and also follow us on Twitter. Thank you very much.